Okay, so now for this particular lab, we are going to be analyzing some sound files. So we have the sound files uploaded to Canvas and also the software with which you guys can use in analyzing the sound files. We also have it uploaded to Canvas. So now I have the sound file for bagpipe, bongo, and so on. So I'm going to click on bagpipe and then show you guys what you are supposed to do for this lab. So as you can see, this is the envelope function for bagpipe. So here's the attack part, like I explained earlier. So here's the attack part. Here's the decay part when you have the wave starting to get to a more steady state. And here is your sustain, and here is your release. So for the bagpipe, if you go through your lab manual, you are supposed to make a sketch of the envelope function. So what you need to do is just to make a sketch of what you have here, which is your envelope function. So you just sketch this, and while you are sketching, you don't have to shade, just sketch, and that's all. Then the next is going to be the wave shape during sustain. So like I said, the sustain part is when you have the sound to be in a steady state. So this is the sustain part. So to sketch the wave shape, you highlight it, you highlight the sustain part, you expand or you zoom in, and then you sketch. So this is what you guys are going to sketch in the space for wave shape during sustain. So after sketching, you reduce it. And then the next one is going to be the VR near attack. So the VR near attack. So here's the attack part of your envelope function. So the VR simply means vibration recipe. So we want to sketch the vibration recipe of the attack part of your envelope function. So after highlighting the attack part of your envelope function, you come straight to analyze, you click on plus spectrum, and then you are going to have this waveform on your display. So you just sketch this. So this is what you are going to sketch. So you just sketch this in the space for VR near attack. So the next is VR during sustain. So here's your sustain part, which is when you have your wave to be in a steady state. So you highlight this part of your envelope function, you come to analyze, you click on plus spectrum, and then you sketch. So like I said earlier, you sketch, so you don't have to shade, you just sketch what you see on your display. So the next one is the VR near release. So you highlight the release part of your envelope function, and then you go to analyze, plot spectrum, and then you sketch this. So that's all you are going to be doing for this particular lab. So right now I'm going to be showing you guys, I'll just make an illustration of what you guys are supposed to do in this lab.